Hi, it's Mara, and I'd like to show you how to do water ceremony for the Divine Feminine. We start with, well, water. So I have here water that's got some sacred collected water in here, and it's been infused with this rose quartz. You can use whatever water you want, but it is, in ceremonies, especially meaningful to use water that has already got some significance for you. I have here some bowls that are this is made by Tiff Tull. She made several bowls for me. Wonderful, wonderful bowls. And then this is one from Fair Trade Etsy maker. So between the two, you use whatever bowl you want to, or you can talk to me about a ceremony kit if you'd like one. And then I've got rose petals that I've collected myself that come from a neighbor. They were grown with love. And I have them in these little packets here. And then I have some lavender that I received as a gift from a monk. So I feel really good about the ingredients I have for my ceremony. So what I'm going to do is take this water. Oh, and I should tell you, open sacred medicine space, which means just invite your shamanic allies to come be here with you right now. So you could just take a moment and do that if you want to. Or you can do a prayer. I usually do quite a prayer when I'm doing it in large groups. But for now, you can just close your eyes, take a breath, sink your roots in the ground, and invite all of your personal spiritual allies to show up for you now, honoring the four directions, earth and sky, so that you can feel connected and protected while you do your work. Then you take your sacred water and you pour it into your bowl. And again, I've just chosen small bowls. You could have larger ones if you want. And there I've got a little bit of water in the bowl. And as I pour it, I'm saying, I ask for healing with the Divine Feminine. I ask for healing with the Divine Feminine. I ask for healing with the Divine Feminine. And that vibration is going into the waters, through your hands, through your voice, through your intention. Then take a little lavender, or whatever flower feels appropriate to you. Sprinkle it in the water, saying, may this offering soothe my soul. Now, at some point in this ceremony, you may wish to take a few moments or even journal what it is that's uneasy, what's stirred up in your emotional waters, what's going on that you're needing this healing, or what are your intentions because you're just feeling in the collective there's this great upset and you'd like to settle it within you before you even try to look at what's going on outside of you. Whatever that is, maybe take a few moments to write that down. Get really clear about it, and then flow that energy into one of the rose petals or whatever flower you may have. Again, these are things that I've collected, but you may have something different, or you may have gotten a kit from me. So you just flow it in. Your desire to be soothed, to soothe, to heal, to be healed. Letting it flow into this. I'm cupping it in my hands as I do this. And then drop it into the water, saying, Divine Feminine healing for the hearts of all beings, sacred waters, I thank you. And just be with it. Close your eyes and listen. What messages are you getting? What do you feel is shifting and changing inside of you right now? And know that it might be something that takes a while. So maybe you leave this here for a bit. When it's complete, when you feel the ceremony is complete and you feel like the shift has happened, at any time after that, you can take your water and your petals outside and give it as an offering to the earth. Or you could pour it on a plant in your home if you don't have a convenient place outside, or if there's snow or whatever. But give it to Gaia. Let it go. with love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, with love. Let it go. But you can do that like in an hour, in a day, in a week, whatever feels good for you. And then when you're complete with everything, be sure you close your sacred space, saying goodbye and thank you to all your allies who showed up for you. Quite simply, that is water ceremony for healing the divine feminine. And if you have any questions, I hope you go ahead and give me a call or reach out to me. I'll leave my contact info below this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.